Sleep is nature's most powerful healer, orchestrating cellular repair, neural pruning, and hormonal balance to sustain peak physical and mental health. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts these processes, weakening immunity, dulling cognition, and accelerating wear on every bodily system. During deep sleep, protein synthesis accelerates, repairing muscle fibers stressed by physical activity or daily strain. Growth hormone, released in slow-wave sleep, drives tissue regeneration, enhancing strength and resilience without artificial supplements. Sleep regulates cortisol, melatonin, and ghrelin, hormones governing stress, circadian rhythms, and hunger signals. Elevated cortisol from insufficient rest inflames tissues, raising risks of anxiety, obesity, and cardiovascular strain over time. This affects the skin quality and recovery. The brain's glymphatic system, most active during sleep, clears amyloid beta and tau proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. A 2013 science study showed this system flushes neurotoxins at night, safeguarding memory and cognitive function long-term. Poor sleep impairs insulin sensitivity, disrupting glucose metabolism and elevating type 2 diabetes risk significantly. Consistent 7 to 9 hours of rest restores metabolic balance, enhances skin regeneration, stabilizing energy, and reducing dependence on synthetic interventions. Sleep promotes cardiovascular recovery by lowering blood pressure and heart rate during non-REM stages. This nightly reset reduces arterial plaque buildup, cutting risks of heart attacks, strokes, and vascular damage over decades. Nature crafted sleep as a universal, cost-free remedy, aligning with circadian biology in a dark, quiet environment. Unlike industry-driven solutions, it restores vitality through innate mechanisms, free from harmful side effects or dependencies. Pharmaceutical companies market sleep aids like Zolpidem, which disrupt REM cycles and impair memory consolidation. These drugs alter brainwave patterns, reducing restorative sleep and fostering dependency, unlike natural rest's seamless repair. Elite tactics frame sleep struggles as medical disorders, pushing pills over lifestyle fixes. A 2018 Journal of Medical Ethics study exposed how companies fund biased research to normalize sleep aids, sidelining effective natural sleep hygiene practices. Tech giants profit from devices emitting blue light, which suppresses melatonin by disrupting the suprachiasmatic nucleus, the brain's circadian clock. This light delays sleep onset, fragments rest, and drives chronic fatigue, yet screens are sold as indispensable. Energy drinks overload adenosine receptors with caffeine and synthetic stimulants, blocking natural sleep signals. This overstimulation exhausts the adrenal system, leading to restless nights, hormonal imbalances, skin degradation, and diminished energy reserves. Synthetic bedding materials like polyester blends release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that irritate airways and disrupt sleep quality. These unregulated toxins, prevalent in mass-produced mattresses, degrade air quality and trigger restlessness or respiratory stress. You can reclaim sleep by prioritizing 7 to 9 hours in a cool, 60 to 67 degree Fahrenheit room with blackout curtains and minimal noise exposure. Organic cotton or linen bedding, certified by GOTS, creates a toxin-free environment, promoting deeper, uninterrupted rest. Avoid screens 2 hours before bed to preserve melatonin production and stabilize circadian rhythms naturally. Chamomile tea, validated by a 2015 phytotherapy research study, reduces anxiety and enhances sleep onset without synthetic risks or side effects. Incorporate slow breathing or progressive muscle relaxation to calm the nervous system and lower heart rate before bed. These practices, rooted in neurophysiology, prepare the body for restorative deep and REM sleep stages effectively. Spend evenings outdoors under natural light to align your circadian clock with sunset cues, enhancing melatonin release. This exposure, supported by chronobiology research, improves sleep depth, duration, and overall restorative quality. This highly enhances skin quality. You will notice more glowing and clear skin when you wake up after a good night's sleep. Limit caffeine intake to mornings, as its long half-life disrupts delta wave activity in deep sleep. Herbal alternatives like peppermint or rooibos tea provide gentle stimulation without compromising nighttime rest or adrenal health. By embracing natural sleep science, You bypass pharmaceutical and tech traps that profit from your exhaustion. Start tonight. Dim lights, avoid stimulants, choose clean bedding, and advocate for healthier rest to reclaim your vitality.